In this video, I'll show you how to change your sending country. There are 3 ways to select your sending country. Open your Remitly app. The first way to select your sending country is when you are creating your Remitly profile or account for the first time. Your sending country should match your address. For example, if you use an address in Canada when you sign up for Remitly, you'll choose Canada as your sending country. You don't need to change your sending country to send money while you're traveling. The sending country on your profile isn't associated with your physical location, just your payment information and permanent address. The second way to select your sending country after creating a Remitly profile, and if you haven't sent a transfer yet, you can change your sending country easily. Open your Remitly app, log into your Remitly app, start by clicking My Remitly down here. Click Profile Information. Scroll down to find the Sending From section. If you see an edit button here, click on that, but if not, you can proceed to contact customer support or proceed to option 3, which is to create a new account. But first, you will need to delete your current Remitly account, so there will be no conflicts when you create your new account. The last option to select your sending country is quite complicated. If you're already sent a transfer with Remitly, and you'd like to change your sending country, you will need to delete your Remitly account first. And then sign up for a new account using the country that you'd like to use. Please take note that the different countries have varying requirements, and Remitly may ask you for more information or different IDs. If you'd like to close your Remitly profile, you can click on this video right here. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much.